today we're gonna be changing the oil on a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL. All right, so what we need first, make sure you get the right oil. We're gonna be using a Pennzoil 5W30. This is full synthetic. Make sure you got this. You got your couple towels, something to catch the oil in. All right, take out the oil pin. We're gonna need a 13mm socket, the ratchet. Go ahead and connect those. New oil filter. We're gonna use a Mopar MO 339. Is what's gonna fit on this 2.0 liter engine. I'm gonna throw this back so y'all can see inside the engine. All right. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna get up underneath and take the pin out. All right, so what you want to do when you get up underneath is locate where your oil pin is, which is going to be basically in this area on all of them. You want to find that plug, take your socket, loosen it up. All right, so once you pour that oil back in there, you want to put the cap back on. Make sure that's tight. Pull the plug. Stick. Make sure it's to the line. Perfect. Put it back in there. Close the hood. Alright, so now what we gotta do is restart the oil light. Alright, so what you wanna do is press the button twice without your foot on the brake. Turn it in the on position. Wait for it to start up. All right, you wanna go to your menus. So it says press OK to reset. Wanna hold it? Hold OK, boom, back to 100%.